Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can clear your queue on Spotify. So before I teach you that, I'm gonna make sure what queue is. Queue is a list of songs which is gonna be played after your currently playing song. Alright, so right now I'm playing Holiday by KSI, and by queue another song is gonna be played which is on that queue list. Alright, so queue is a list of songs which is gonna be played after your currently playing song. Alright, so to clear your queue, it's pretty simple. You wanna open the song which you're playing right now. So I'm playing Holiday by KSI. So to clear my queue, I can click on this button over here at the bottom. I can click on it and it's gonna show me the song. So these are the queue of song. After Holiday, it's gonna play Patience. After that, it's gonna play Patience featuring Young Blood. After that, it's gonna play Don't Play, Really Love. So if I want to clear this, I can just tick mark this song and then click on remove. Alright, so it's going to be removed just like that. Now if I want to clear my queue, I need to tick mark all these songs individually and then click on remove. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, and have a nice day.